Okay, this is your IELTS speaking test. Let's make a start. Do you wear jeans?
Yes, I often wear jeans. It is one of my favorite clothing. I have 2 to 3 pairs of jeans at my house.
Okay. How often do you wear jeans?
I wear jeans regularly, and in most of the cases, I love to wear it on weekend days.
Okay, this answer is short. I love to wear it on weekend, especially when I go out with my friends. I
Okay.
always prefer to wear jeans. So to answer your question, I mostly wear jeans on Saturdays and Sundays.
Yes.
Instead of weekend, I use the word Saturdays and
Sundays.
Sundays. Okay, do you like wearing jeans?
I love wearing jeans. It is very comfortable. It is very comfortable to wear, and it never gets old.
Yeah, jeans never
Yes,
get old,
yes.
even if it is torn, new fashion.
Yes.
Good. Okay, let's go on. How often do you buy jeans?
I don't think that I have bought it from the last 1 year, because I have already 4 to 5
Pairs of jeans.
4 to 5 pairs of jeans, and they are still in my use.
Okay, so to answer your question,
To answer
I
your-
don't buy jeans regularly.
Yes.
Okay, this
Okay.
is good. So just have a smile on your face, take interest in the question, and answer every question excitedly. It'll be better. Let's move on. Do you walk a lot?
Yes, I love to walking. Yes, I love walking.
Yeah, I love walking.
I love walking in routine because there are not hard and fast rules to do a walk and go for walk. I just go for walk near my park, and I can also walk in my home garden. And sometimes the weather is very good, I can prefer to walk on the top of my.
I usually prefer. With can, we don't use prefer. It's not common. So I usually
I only
walk.
prefer to walk on
Okay,
the top of my
good.
roof.
Do you walk more now as compared to the past?
Yes, definitely. I do walk more than the past because I have put on my weight due to C-section, and that is why my gynecologist recommended me to lose weight as soon as possible. And there's also upcoming wedding in my family, so I have to lose my weight by
I have
walking.
to lose my weight.
I have to lose my weight as soon as possible to become more fit.
All right, then you will fit into your old
Inshallah.
dress you have.
Inshallah.
So, okay, that's good. I understand. Where do you usually go for a walk?
I usually go for walk in near park, which is situated near my home. But sometimes whenever I go, I don't have any time to go outside. Then I prefer to walk in my home garden. And also I have joined a gym. Then there I go. Then I can walk. There I can walk by using treadmill as soon as possible.
Just try to speak in a relaxed way.
Yes, sir.
And it sounds like after a sentence you're taking a break,
Yes.
then another sentence, then you're taking a break, then another sentence. So try to go on in smooth
So I
way.
don't know.
Is it? You're
Whenever I
talking like-
spend there, then whenever I come there, I feel anxiety. To some
Don't
extent,
worry,
but I
you'll be
think that's
fine. I'm
wrong.
also feeling anxiety because of the camera, light, and all that. Just
I
relax.
don't feel
Okay.
anxiety. I think because of you are more confident,
Okay.
and as impression as a teacher.
You know, I'm not confident. I look confident.
But actually you
but
do.
I'm shivering now. Oh my God!
No, sir, no.
Light, camera, action. Okay, just joking. One last question: do you think people will walk more in the future?
Yes, definitely. People will walk more in future because as the eating habits have changed as compared to healthy foods, they use junk foods, and definitely people will walk more in the future because of to become more healthy. And
Good. This is better. Keep it up like this. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
need confidence. Otherwise, you speak well.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
inshallah.
Good job. Thank you.